What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. It's 2025. Happy New Year. We made it. We made it to the new year. I hope you're all congratulating yourselves. You did a great job in 2024. Looking forward to 2025. Can you believe that the first quarter of the 21st century is behind us? It doesn't seem like that long ago that I was like, Happy New Year at the millennium. God, that's how old I am. Y2K was going to wipe out all our computers. That never happened. So it's 2025 now. It's the first video of the new year. We're going to kick it off in a relaxed fashion. We got our basic fun boxing from our friends at KeyUnity. Full disclosure, KeyUnity was nice enough to send me a couple items for free, so I did not have to spend my personal money or the channel's money on this. But my promise to you is, as always, I'm going to give you the raw, unfiltered facts and my straight opinion about whatever items I'm sent. I'm not going to say something nice about a company just because they sent me something for free. So, moving along, we have KeyUnity, a little fun boxing, the KK05 and the KK08. Let's jump into it, shall we? Oh my God, it's a horrifying nightmare. Oh, thank goodness. Welcome back to the Tinker Closet for the first video of 2025. As I mentioned, our friends at KeyUnity Gear were nice enough to send me a couple items to try out, so we're just going to break these open. First thing I'd like to say is, well done on the packaging, KeyUnity. You guys know that I appreciate some well-done packaging. These are nice little compact plastic cases. I can see, or once you empty out the gear inside, maybe there might be a secondary use. The one thing I would say is that these both look exactly the same. This is actually the KK05 and this is the KK08, but on the front you wouldn't really know. They look like the exact same item, so I don't know if that's something that KeyUnity is looking forward to improving in the future, but you know, maybe the KK05 on the front and the KK08 over here might be a cool addition. But let's set the KK08 aside and jump right into the KK05. Got a little clasp over here, and all right, nice job, KeyUnity. This is cool. This is the knife itself. This is a little keychain knife. It's titanium. And of course, it comes with a little ring. Little bonus items. You get a business card. You get a little sticker. You guys know we love stickers. We all love the stickers. And of course, a product brochure. You can go through the whole lineup and see KeyUnity has quite a bit of items. The one thing I appreciate about a company like KeyUnity is they are focused on really, really dope EDC Keychain Accessories. And honestly, this doesn't look like it's an exception. This is actually really, really cool. So I don't think you even need scissors. You can just, give him the old tear open, squeeze this guy out, and well. How about that? This is a holy shit. I was not expecting that. That is actually much more substantial blade than I was expecting on this little guy. Hold on, let's give it a little thumb. Jesus Christ, that feels really sharp. Hold on a second. Let's get ourselves a little piece of paper and see how sharp we're dealing with here. Hold on. Holy shit. All right, so that cuts pretty well. That's pretty sharp right off the bat. I could definitely see me putting a little bit of a better edge on that, but wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so then guys with big fingers, you're gonna wanna be careful, but there is not a locking mechanism, so it's a slip joint, slips back in. With this little guy here, if you got a keychain like this, you just pop this guy on here and see how it works. All right, there you go, okay. Kind of hangs a little funny on my keychain. Okay, if we flip it over to that side, it works a little bit better. Just a few quick statistics on the KK05 keychain knife. This is a titanium alloy body, and the knife itself is stainless steel. The blade is 1.06 inches. The entire length of this thing, when it's unfolded, is 2.8 inches, and it weighs 0.21 ounces. All right, that's interesting. Very, very interesting. I kind of like this. This is the KK05 keychain knife. Let's jump into the KK08 and see what we're dealing with over there. Here is the KK08 from KeyUnity Gear. Same plastic case. I really do kind of dig it. I can see me recycling this, upcycling it. Ooh. Now that is interesting. Very, very interesting. All right, and same deal. You get yourself a little business card and a sticker. We all love the We all love the stickers. We all collect stickers. You got yourself a key ring, and then of course another brochure so you can see their whole product line. All right, get the key ring out. This guy, same deal. You don't even need scissors to get into it. You can just tear it open with your fingers. Well, well, well. This is a self-contained. That is actually really cool. The way that the carabiner itself is fabricated, there's no hinge. It just kind of bends inward for the carabiner to work. That's kind of dope. I like that. And then over here, it looks like we've got, ooh, a much more substantial blade. Hold on, let's get the old spiral notebook out and get ourselves another piece of paper. A piece of paper. See how sharp this guy is. Oh, that's not super sharp right out of the bat. I could definitely see putting a little bit better of an edge on it, but as a keychain tool, I actually kind of like this. Again, it's a slip joint, there's no lock. Now, if I was to put this onto a keychain, I guess I would just use the built-in carabiner. I kind of dig the built-in carabiner. Clips right on there, and that's interesting. Some fun facts on the KeyUnity KK08. This is precision crafted titanium, TC4 titanium alloy. The blade steel is 7CR17 MOV steel, and the length is 1.69 inches. The whole thing weighs 0.56 ounces or 16 grams, so it is featherweight, and this is all CNC machined, which is why it doesn't require a hinge. Pretty cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give this guy about 3 days and this guy about 4 days. I'm gonna carry these around on my actual keychain, see how much use I get out of them, and then I'm gonna check back with you guys in exactly 1 week and give you a little part B update on how useful I found these KeyUnity keychain knives and this carabiner knife. All right, we'll see you guys in a week, Pocket Theory. It's a tiny ass knife. Let's see if it can cut open a big ass box. Wow! Voila! Break this bad boy down. Not too shabby. Let's see how the big Mama Jamma does on a cardboard test. Gets the job done. All right, let's see if we give it the old zip tie test. These are some thick zip ties, just holding some things together. So if we wanted to get this off, will it work? Ooh, man. It's a tiny little knife, but it actually cut through that zip tie. All right, hold on a second. Let's see how the KK08 does on a pretty similar task. This is a thick zip tie. Oh, and it didn't give up. It cut through. Tooling around the house and need to get something open, you can grab this thing really quick. Get yourself into your tin foil. You all know what a pain in the ass this shit is. So you can even get in there and like open up the tin foil. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I can see this having some use as a utility blade. You all know how annoying it is. You're trying to open up some new spices. They got the little stupid thing on the top and you can't get your thumb underneath there. It's actually kind of perfect for something like that. You just pop this little keychain guy open and there you go. There you go. Look at that. That worked out pretty good. And obviously, I don't think opening a parcel of mail is going to be a problem for either one of these. Well, that just kind of ripped it open. But yeah, you can clearly see this can be used to open up some mail. Not too shabby. And same thing with this guy over here. You can see, oh yeah, as a letter opener goes, works out really, really well. That's great. And just for the sheer shits and giggles as a titanium accessory, I thought, wouldn't it be funny to have a full-size knife with a little tiny knife hanging off the back? So you got your QSP penguin in titanium, and then here on the end, your little bead, you've got a little titanium backup knife. 1 week later. All right, Pocket Theory. It's been exactly 7 days since last we spoke. I carried around the KK05 for 3 days, and I carried around the KK08 for 4 days, including today. So it's been exactly 1 week, and I have to say, as advertised, KeyUnity. They make precision-crafted, well-made EDC Keychain Accessories. As far as a micro knife is concerned, I ran this guy through the ringer. And it held up pretty well. I cut open a lot of boxes. I cut open a lot of envelopes, opened some packages. Same with this little guy. If I had to pick one, I guess I would probably go with the KK08. You guys all know I'm a sucker for a built-in carabiner, and I really like the precision crafted element, like the CNC machined element on this. It's just kind of cool that it doesn't have a hinge, but it opens. And the blade itself, I did have to sharpen it to get it up to where it was, at my standard of sharpness, which is not, that sharp. But I have to do that with a lot of knives straight out of the package, so that's not that big of a deal, especially for a keychain accessory. The name of the company is KeyUnity Gear. Be sure to check them out online. I'm going to have a link in the description. You can also find them on Amazon. They have all kinds of stuff. They have like an entire pantheon of different kind of keychain clips and knives and little EDC accessories. So I'm actually hoping maybe they send me some more stuff in the future. I'd be happy to take a look at it. But in the meantime, the KK05 mini knife gets a thumbs up, and the KK08 carabiner knife also gets a thumbs up. Listen, they're obviously not going to be the biggest knives. They're obviously not going to be the sharpest knives right out of the box. But listen, as far as a keychain utility knife is concerned, they don't leave much to ask for. They're actually pretty good. After a few days with both, they work great. They work just exactly like they're supposed to. Just a quick note, Pocket Theory. Our friends at KeyUnity were kind enough to extend a very generous discount offer. All new customers who spend over $39 can get 15% off with the coupon code BESTWISHES. That information will also be in the description of this video. Head on over to KeyUnity for your discount right now. Listen, folks, when it comes to titanium accessories, when it comes to keychain EDC accessories, when it comes to miniature knives, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.